All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try one of these on the fence. We're gonna use this. I'm gonna get a drill and two drills, one with a drill bit and one with a Phillips head screwdriver. And we're gonna use this template. We're gonna go ahead and grab a couple screws out here because I'm going into wood. So I don't really think that I need the anchors. I just need the screws. So we'll take a couple out of here. I'm just gonna put one up for right now, and then we'll put the other ones up after we decide where we're gonna put them. Just gotta get two screws. I'll save all those anchors. And then we'll just go ahead and grab one of these. And basically the way it's gonna work is we're gonna screw these into the wall using that template, and it tells you the distance. And then you just set them on like that. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? You know, they go in, boom, boom. Of course, there's two of them, right? So, you know, they'll be like setting in there like that. And that'll just basically hold them in there. Just like that. So that's how it'll go into the fence. And then this will lean up against the fence. You want it tight enough so that it sets right on the fence like that. That's it. It's pretty simple, really. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we'll check it out tonight once we get it up there and it's got itself a little bit of charge. All right, we're gonna go outside and do it right now. All right, so I've got a bunch of drills. This is my favorite one right here, this DeWalt. This thing really works good, and it's got a little light on it, you know, so that's kind of nice. So we're gonna do that, and then I just gotta get a bit to put in here, and then we'll tighten it down, we'll go outside, and we'll put it on the fence post. We need something kind of small, about that size there. That should work. And then just to get the hole started, but we wanna have enough for those threads to grab. So we're going to use this one. All right, also we're going to bring this because that way we can measure 2 and whatever it was on the side of here. Let's see what it says. 2.76 inches. So, you know, if you look, here it is. I'll show you. If you put it in there like that, there it is. So that's the distance. No biggie though. We've got our screw here. Our bit. I want to get it in there. Battery should be charged. Okay, we're ready to go. So now we've got our Phillips head and our drill. We got our 2 screws and our 1 light that we're going to put on there. I'll put this in my pocket. I'm going to put that in my pocket. And we're going to go out there and do it. That's what we're going to do. All right, here we go. All right, so I'm going to put her up on here. And hopefully that'll give us a little bit of downlight. So if we check it, I think we've got enough room to do it. And I do believe I can put them right in these little screw holes here. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just drill it out a little bit, make sure it's good. Okay, I think we're good. Now all we got to do, bam, screw her in. Don't want to go too deep. All right, I think I'm pretty good there. I'll give you a closer look at this so that you guys can appreciate it. Okay, so here's our 2 little screws. And then all I've got to do, really, is I just got to match these up on there, just like that. And then that's it. It's on there. Done. Now we just got to see if it works. I flipped the switch on it, and we'll come back tonight and see how our little light works. Bam, done. Hopefully we get enough light, solar power on there. We'll see.